Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Denji, and I'm here at the roller skating rink. Dang, Mitaka, looking good!
Oh, Jesus!
What are all the kids calling you?
Everyone's calling me Wednesday.
Makima!
I have to use total concentration breathing.
This is Chainsaw Man, not Demon Slayer. Kobeni, are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, as long as you do peace signs, you'll be okay. Just keep doing peace signs. So, Miss Makima.
Yeah.
This is kind of romantic, huh? Just you and me?
Yeah.
Out roller skating.
Can you see, by the way?
I can't see shit. I'm on a date with Makima. She's my queen. And later I can show her what's in between.
What was that?
Oh, sorry, what? Hey, what up, bro? Wanna go skate together?
Oh, sure.
Keep up, boys.
Kishibe, tear it up, tear it up, tear it up. Oh,
Wow, Kobeni from Chainsaw Man, how are you doing?
Fries.
what rhymes with cone? Come? Come.
I'll come on you.
Wait, Kobeni. 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 What's happening, Kobeni? What in the world? Now they're both crying. What's even happening right now? Spider-Man meme? Reze, what are your thoughts on skating right
Blow
now?
this whole motherfucker up.
Oh shit. We
Legalize
won't-
nuclear bombs.
God damn it! My old man legs hurt!
You're doing good, buddy. You're
Ah!
doing good, Gramps.
Don't touch me!
Keep up the good work, Gramps.
Guys, it's Casual Friday. What are you wearing?
We're always in work. This is a business work day.
Miss Makima, I could take my clothes off for you if you want.
That's okay.
Okay. Yo, Power, why aren't you gonna skate with us?
That's some human shit.
What? What do you mean? Whatever. Oh, fuck. Hey, Kishibe, what's wrong, man?
Denji, I need a drink.
I got you. I'll get you a 7-Up or a Pepsi.
Not that kind of. Fine.
Our supervisor wanted us to do like a team bonding experience. This mofo didn't get the memo, but I don't know what's up with that.
And that's our boss.
Apparently it doesn't.
You could be my boss.
Not now.
Can you teach me how to read, please?
Yeah, so this says your mom.
Okay. Y'all got like beef or something? Is there majors?
I'm the OG. I am the OG. You bitches wish.
Oh, you know what it says right here, Reze? It says, hey girl, you're the bomb.
That definitely says classic Caesar.
Hypothetically, if you were a cockroach, you would survive a nuclear explosion with how sturdy you are.
I don't even know how to respond to that.
Makima, thoughts?
Not many.
What's the thing that Power puts in her chest all the time? Silicone. Did it? Yo, Power? Yeah? Yeah, that was good, right?
Yo, bro, are you the bomb? You're gonna be nuclear.
Are you the bomb? Because you're making me nuclear. Every time my belt rubs on this chair, it sounds like I'm farting. Look.
Bro's ripping ass and trying to play it off. He's fighting the IBS devil. That's no joke, okay? That was a hard one.
Oh, man. Oh, he real hot girl shit. My love for you is like explosive diarrhea. I can't hold it in.
Okay.
Yo, Power, that one was good, right? That was good, right? Yeah. See, Power like that one.
Well, you look like Wednesday.
Well, you look like Makima who just chopped up hot coffee.
Oh.
Well, I did, so.
Hey, yo, Chainsaw Man.
Yo,
Can you cut this for me?
yo, bro.
Alright. Alright, thanks, bro. Oh.
Thank you.
So, Aki, what are you grabbing for dessert, man? An ice cream cone. Oh, shit, that was good. I won't tell anyone. I saw nothing. Is that chocolate bar big enough?
No, I want a bigger one.
Oh, gotcha.